G'day, there's Glenn Smith here for Your Next Car In Officer. What I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2017 Hilux SR in a dual cab. The reason we do these videos is to give you confidence that the vehicle's in great condition, and if you do live a fair way away from an officer, it gives you a bit of an idea what the car will look like before you arrive to see the car in person, if you're going to test drive it and so on. So we'll start from the exterior of the vehicle. We'll work our way around the outside through the interior to give you a really good basically condition report on the vehicle. So we'll start from the driver's side. We'll start from the driver's front door and we'll work our way around. So as you'll see, really clean condition on that front driver's door. Mirror sculpt is in great order as well. Coming back down to your side steps, really clean throughout as well. Really, really clean. Coming up to your driver's guard, again, paint condition is fantastic. These are the days that we'll kind of be able to see any marks, being a beautiful summer day here in Officer. But as you see, really clean condition. Also has been fitted with a set of Toyota genuine alloys. I'm not sure of the SR5 ones, but they are a set of genuine Hilux alloy wheels, so they've been fitted to this vehicle. Gives it a bit of point of difference as well, so really nice looking set of wheels. Tyre condition is fantastic as well. Coming around the front end of the vehicle, does have a steel bull bar fitted. You'll see the cars running in the background, so you can hear the engine running throughout the video itself as well. But as you see, bull bar is in great condition, and coming up to your paintwork on the bonnet section, really clean throughout. No damage that I can physically see. Really, really clean condition. Continuing on the front passenger side, again, your front guard really clean again. No damage that I can see physically on that section. Again, really clean throughout. And again, your tyre and alloy wheels are in great condition also. Heading along the passenger side, so we'll start from the door on the passenger side, go away fly. Passenger door, really clean condition. No damage that I can physically see. Again, your side steps are in good order again. And then coming back to your rear door on that passenger side, again, really clean throughout. Heading to your tray section, I'll take you back to that rear wheel as well. Again, rear wheel and alloy wheel, great condition again. Really does change the aspect, as you'll see the alloys on that Hilux instead of your black steel rim, so it really does change the aspect of it. Gives it more that sporty look as well. Tray condition is phenomenal, really clean condition tray. No damage on that tray section. Presents really, really well up to the back section of that tray, and internally, as you'll see, condition wise is fantastic, and also your header board presents really well. But you'll see all the photos of this on the website also as well. It does have a tow bar fitted, which most Hiluxes do, so pretty rare they don't have a tow bar fitted, but there's your tow bar. And then coming back end of your tray section on the driver's side, no different to the passenger side, really clean throughout. And then coming back to your rear alloy tyre, again, tyre condition is fantastic. And then we'll finish up with the paintwork. So I was just squeezed between another car. We'll continue on and finish up that last door just on that passenger side. Again, really clean throughout. We'll take you through the interior now, so I'll open that rear door. So I'll start from the door card, if that will stay open for me. Yes, it will. Pardon me, door card. Pardon me, on the driver's side. Just your carpet flooring, really clean throughout. Also your seats, just to show there's no tears or split in that cloth interior. So driver and passenger. Really clean condition wise inside. And then over to your door card on that passenger side. And then we'll bring you back through the interior of the rear seats also as well. So really clean throughout. Good kilometres, I think it's at 120,000 k's. I will confirm that once I jump in the front seat as well. But as you see, really clean condition with the interior. I'll open that driver's door up just to continue the interior for you as well. So your door card on the driver's side. Back through the interior of your seats. Sorry, camera's a bit jumpy there. I hit my arm, sorry about that. So interior wise, really clean throughout. Over to your passenger side, front seat. Again, really clean condition. And definitely our biggest sellers are our Hiluxes here. We normally carry commercials as a main scenario of what we carry here in stock at Your Next Car, but we probably sell anywhere from 10 to 15 Hiluxes monthly all over Australia. So really popular model for here locally, and also rural and interstate as well. So current kilometres as we speak is 123,895, so 123,000 k's, or nearly 124,000 k's. Coming back to your steering wheel, You do have your Bluetooth buttons, your volume control for your stereo system, and your cruise control also to the right hand side on the steering stalk as well. Coming throughout the car itself, so interior wise, again very basic, AM FM radio, Bluetooth compatibility as well, and again it's all touch screen to your station, so nice and easy system to use. Coming beneath that is your four-wheel drive to your right hand side just on the right, your standard air conditioning and heating, so pretty basic, not going to scare you too much. And then coming back to your transmission, cup holders and such. But really good value for money. The best thing about it is just those Toyota alloy wheels that's been fitted. Just gives it a really different aspect to your normal Hilux SR. Really clean steel tray as well. Really good kilometres, so 123,000 k. So great value for money with Towbar, Bullbar and also steel tray. So I'll jump outside the car, we'll wrap up the video. If you have any other questions in relation to this vehicle or any other vehicle we have here at Yonex Car, please don't hesitate to touch base with us here at the dealership. You can either speak to Andrew or myself. But again, it's been a pleasure to take you through this vehicle, and hopefully we've found the right Hilux for you. Have a great day.